Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you the super cool LED lighted pre-lit shelf over here. That's 66 inches that this brand sent to me for the video, and I'm super grateful because, I have tons of action figures. I mean, you can see some of this one right here, but you can't see the ones that I have over there, over there, over there. I have some over here as well. I have tons of action figures. So for the purpose of displaying your action figures and some other things, for sure, you can use it for whatever you want. But I believe that this one is super good for action figures. I'm going to show it to you in a close-up in a few seconds. But the bottom line is that this one, it is number one, super easy to assemble. Everything comes explained right here. You don't need any tools. Probably just one or two times that you're going to use a screwdriver, or a few times, but that's it. But then it also comes with kind of like an auto screw part that you're gonna put in between these ones and just like build it up, and that's it. Everything comes explained right here, as well as a QR code to actually use it with an app. You can actually use it with an app because, let me actually show you something. I'm gonna turn off the lights right now. Just take a look at this. You can actually manage this one with the app, or you can give it with the remote controller. You can give it everything you need with the terms of the colors that you're gonna use, or also the patterns. You also have an auto mode, you have a music mode, you have a pulse mode, you have a timer mode. You have plenty of things that you can actually do with this one. I do like this one, the clear one for sure, but I believe that this one could be really, really good for action figures. Let me show it to you in a close-up. This is 66 inches by almost 12 inches wide. Let's jump on a close-up now. So a couple things that I like about this shelf over here. Number one, tempered glass over here. So I think that it's really, really good for display purposes. You can actually see the LED strip over here, but if you don't like that, you can actually flip this tempered glass over here and put it in the other side, which is gonna be more kind of like subtle on the terms of showing the LED light, so you can actually flip it. This is a wooden frame, but it's pretty firm and resistant, so that's actually another good thing. And the other good thing that I like about this one, let me see if you can actually see this one right here. So over here, you're gonna see the cables. It comes with clips, so you can actually hide the cables, which I think it's fantastic. That is a really, really good thing. And remember, you have the remote controller or the app, and you also have kind of like the knob, the place that you can actually control the lights. You actually have it on the cable as well in case that you lose everything else. But this is a really good thing to have for the cables and make them hidden. Take a closer look over here. Going up, you have all the shelves, you have the many colors that you can change, and of course all the LED lights that actually they come pre-installed. You don't have to install them at all. They come pre-installed. The only thing you have to do is add the glass in each one of the shelves, and that's it. So I put it in a wide angle so you can see it better. 66 inches tall, about like 11 inches deep over here. And you can see that you have all the LED lights over here with the remote controller, the app, and the other thing just to make sure that you have the cables hidden. That's it. Super easy assemble. This is a really, really good one for displaying action figures. I'm going to give it my thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.